So there is what you call rapid acting insulin. It reaches the bloodstream within 15 minutes and it keeps working for up to 4 hours. All right? Up to 4 hours. Then there is short acting insulin. It enters the bloodstream within 30 minutes and it works for up to 6 hours. All right, up to 6 hours, short acting insulin. Then there is intermediate acting insulin. It finds its way into your bloodstream within 2 to 4 hours, and it is effective for about 18 hours. 18 hours. All right, so the pancreas of a normal adult, right? Just a normal adult, contains approximately 200 units of insulin. And the average daily secretion of insulin into the circulation in healthy individuals range from 30 to 50 units. All right, 30 to 50 units. So after you eat a meal, right? After you eat a meal, any carbohydrates that you've eaten are broken down into glucose and passed into the bloodstream. Pass into the bloodstream. Then the pancreas detects the rise in blood glucose and it starts to secrete or discharge. It discharges insulin in response to the rise. What does that tell you? That tells me that the more sugar you take, the more carbohydrates you intake, is the more insulin that is secreted or discharged, right, into your bloodstream, because it's responding to the rise, that rise of insulin. The pancreas is reacting to that. It has to react. That's its job, to discharge insulin into the bloodstream. Now, if you have diabetes, your body either does not make enough insulin or it cannot use the insulin it makes as well as it should. If you have diabetes, your body either does not make enough insulin or it cannot use the insulin it makes as well as it should. When there is not enough or too little insulin, our cells stop responding to insulin. Right? When there is not enough insulin, or rather, your cells stop responding to insulin, too much blood sugar stays in your bloodstream. When there is not enough, or the cells stop responding, too much blood sugar stays in your bloodstream. And over time, when too much of that stays in your bloodstream, that can cause serious health problems like heart disease, vision loss. And as we know, a lot of people who suffer from diabetes, they have vision problems and kidney disease as well. Right? So without proper insulin function, your body cannot store glucose in your muscles or your liver. Without proper insulin function, your body cannot store that glucose, and it stores it in the muscles and in the liver. Neither can it make any fat. Instead, what happens is the fat breaks down and produces among other things, ketoacids. Ketoacids. All right, so if the levels of these acids grow too high, if they grow too high, the imbalance can trigger diabetic ketoacidosis. If the levels of those acids grow too high, there's going to be an imbalance, and that's when you get what is called diabetic ketoacidosis.